as a ninkomo. And you see, one thing I love about football, memories are not football ediba. And my name is Adibi. We are here. The memories ban temchen football. I don't actually know, but I know football. Let me take you back to your story. Unim said 2025, Madrid boy La Liga game against Leganes, and that game ended 3-2. And the other game now, there come an 18-year-old guy who was playing for Leganes. He was doing very well. He was so instrumental in the game that he wanted to change the game at a point in time. On your shot on target back on, or force a corner kicker after Sanamari dashed train on car. Leganes had to come and obey 3-3. He had a penalty. Yanji and Faman, a very controversial penalty. And Kylian Mbappe ball free kick. Right after the game, this 18-year-old guy was in the news, sparking tantrums, cacophonies. Said Madrid, you hear the mom after game interview. No, he can't answer. You will happen who say Leganes post this akolano. An interesting story. Right after a year, Real Madrid is preparing 100 million for that guy. You on their Monday. The story na here can. So a guy in 2025, the first professional game he played was against Real Madrid. After that game, Okabonte say yanye penalty be a mom, and now, like they said, Real Madrid, that's what football brings to us. Interesting story. And you see, Paris Saint-Germain was in the news, and as when we can, the very first day that you on the Monday kick the game in the World Cup, and a team started say ban. And Gabi, do you know say Paris Saint-Germain started here, and a Real Madrid have a boy room. And what check here, the moment Kylian Mbappe joined Real Madrid, from that day till now, the transfer tussle and transfer bid between Real Madrid and Paris Saint-Germain are very interesting to watch. So time immemorial, yes, everything about Real Madrid, Paris Saint-Germain be blocked. Yes, João Neves beba, Yemanen ko. Rodrigo was on the verge of joining Paris Saint-Germain, Madrid demanding back. Yes, Vini is no more needed. He's joining them, and they will not even allow him. So between Paris Saint-Germain and Real Madrid, currently in the transfer window, from last season till now, the fact that tussle, I enjoy anytime a player is going to Real Madrid, PSG will hijack, vice versa. Into the next one, Brandt and it's Jean Diamonde. And you see, Yamati Fontia currently, as we are speaking, say about we history and success, Efima, for the past 4 years till now, Paris Saint-Germain is having everything that they can use to entice a player as Madrid can do. And I'm repeating, success, any history, you found to change. See, I can't pin. Anything I'm married, the entice a player behind a PSG will be. In terms of success, it's likely they are about on the verge of dominating Europe again. In terms of finances, some will be. So now, because the Paris Saint-Germain and Real Madrid the player, we need to carefully analyze because they are on the same pedestal. And the BM, Jean Diamande to Paris Saint-Germain is just an icing on the cake. Gabi cake in a bit me without the ice, but I fire the ice and better so. Paris Saint-Germain just want to show consistency by bringing Diamande because already flanks no are packed already. But Jean Diamande to Real Madrid is a real business. That is where he is needed. No crap party say only say no why not just move to Real Madrid that we will not talk about this transfer because on anything can be only say but because only say deal now tight that's why we are talking about this one. And now we have a saying in our local adage say okoto so tumfo ni bu bibia
baby obono pampa no
yes that's a transfer window no Madrid the yes signings be but the big transfer news are another ayati be no is subjected to one area on the field.
The France.
Thank you. Yes, that's it. Bakola din anfa. Yebeti only said din anfa. At a point in time, Duza do a big crab fame anfa and a Nhyira your Monday. So me teacher Becca me say, in any rumor there might be an iota of truth, and maybe this time is serious. Oh, check it last season, Real Madrid team ne boy now. One place less in terms of creativity was the right flanks. So the burden was on Vinicius Junior or Cretina Yejibo. So Real Madrid and Jose Mourinho knew say if you want to dominate, they must have the player there. Master Antonio Bebobi, it didn't work. Rodrigo in and out. You push Ibrahim Diaz the Koye and on the right side. So it's a real business that Real Madrid want to do. And I need your man dino etimiaba. As to so about Betimia Feti or Betimiabo might be a different conversation. But to the Real Madrid fraternity, it's a deal they seriously want to do it. And the BM Obi bisa question say, and I think that no news in the buy no question will be beside say, Oko Paris Saint-Germain, Oko Real Madrid, he fan a bebuano. You see, their Monday is still developing. And as some year can in any say, Oko Paris Saint-Germain, maybe he will be given the time to spark the G. But at Real Madrid, it's a start in a play. Currently, as we're speaking, Ochake transfers are Jose Mourinho in Real Madrid. It tells you something. It tells you they are already taking winners and experienced players. Because last season, Omokofa Abranti and Dean and Nebastantueno Anfa.
Yeah.
Then Hoyton Anfa. And Alvaro Carreras. These were potentials. So this time they are going in for proven winners. In Tiabakofa Dumfries, a player who dominated a Serie winner in Italy. Yakofa Konate, he has seen it all. Bernardo Silva. He knows how the stage is set. Na Yepe Rodri. So the Amanda should put in mind, say project that club friend Real Madrid is here. It's a start and a go. So unlike Paris Saint-Germain, that's the coach will give you that adaptation, that settlement for you to adapt to the team. You can't say same for Real Madrid. So if he's coming to Real Madrid, also where the pressure so that he can prepare for the job. That is one thing I'm interested. But South American in common, how threatening with the flanks, how flamboyant, how pacey, the balance or the babano. If for now, we must have the candidates or the right flanks. See candidate Dawson and Nana Joshua can transfer market and I polluted already. You can't say you can now. You are being hypocrite. Exactly. From last year till now, una transfer window year polluted and starting there. So if you're better car, I will be very hypocritical. You who players be a to talk money price be and can't be doing it. It's no phobia could be there. That's how it goes. But currently, as we're speaking, your mandate to Paris Saint-Germain is just an icing on the cake, but to Real Madrid is a real business.
Then comes in a question now, maybe sir. But the kind of signings at Madrid, and the coach, this year, will Madrid have their total? More every season, no munya. Because of the dominance, trophies, and then the man for one hour. I say a job of Joe Madrid person rising the beam with a kind of signings. Any coach, won't make me do this. You
see, one thing about football, you say signings don't normally grant instant success, but it gives hopes.
Okay.
Sana football it here. Say signing players is here as to so be boy mana ye no. 50-50. Bibia beti Messi, but Emma Ows. Check the transfer trajectory Real Madrid in this season and they compare last season. They are taking proven winners, players built for the big stage and winning mentality. So it tells you, say, with the discipline, Madrid can do something.
Okay.
And with the coach, so signings are better than it gives hopes. And how proven these players are, how serious winners they are, I can say it can grant instant results for them.
Let's move on.
And I can't remember, say, me days at school, now me will be a parking kind pass, or me will be a kind. I say, at what point do you confess? The guy be point ben now any power confessing. So why ya dibia uncle? At what point now confessing? You will be or bet my accusing answer. And have people whom are wrong now, they will just come and confess. And they be as your Real Madrid. You see, let me take you through the story. Federico Valverde. And no can same be say. This is the time, and with the picture, Real Madrid is ready to win trophies. It's a time we will bring the happiness in the faces of the Madridistas now.
Wow.
And before Sandro come on, now last week, was this uncommon. So in just 2 weeks, Federico Valverde granted 2 interviews. And in the interview, he's talking about Real Madrid winning again and a whole lot of other qualities. And so we have visual communication. We dive deep. We have what we call cognitive thinking now. You will see, say, Federico Valverde, there is one thing, sense of acceptance, and what we call psychological surgery in Federico Valverde. Nkomana Valverde didn't know what chess and last season as a leader, they failed woefully for Real Madrid. In name primping, they are well prepared, and this is the moment Real Madrid are going to win trophies again. Last season, so Bia said the problems of club Real Madrid. People will start mentioning bad results, trophyless in Nyema. That was never the problem. But trophyless in Nyema was a victim of circumstance. And I'm repeating. Ubisa Real Madrid, Nibiasa, what were the problems of Real Madrid? They will start mentioning poor performance of the players, this and that. Now coaching in Yadi. These things were victim of circumstance. The circumstance this our results was indiscipline. Both on and off the pitch. Tactical indiscipline from the Real Madrid squad. And in the dressing room, the guys were not disciplined enough.
To make where you know clear no, I think I'm say Benzema. Ebabeka say problem at Madrid have it, and I say was it Luka Modric or Benzema Mbako? Ebabeka say problem at Madrid have it say player be who the position na obo.
Yes, Benzema.
Yes, Benzema. So that is the problem.
Yes, thank you. And to Uti and Sema Valverde Kai and Xabi. Actually, Valverde accepted say last season. Now boys in yet discipline. They failed the Madridistas and now they want to do something. And you see, Nensem no Kai, me describing three things. Now Valverde as a captain, what we call ego deflation, accepting mistakes. 2, cognitive refraining. What Nasi say as a leader, he failed Real Madrid. Then 3, self-efficiency. Only player Bakwa, we now made me highly disappointed in last season. It was Valverde. Valverde as a captain last season shown say he lacked all the leadership qualities to lead a club like Real Madrid. Yeah. There was not a single moment that Valverde shown leadership qualities. Now Valverde too late now as a captain and a Real Madrid must stand to etimi fight coaches. Tin hoisimo etimi create tantrums ebe all the camps. Yeah. Yeah. And you Federico Valverde, you had the pain and the chance to play with Luka Modric, Toni Kroos. So you know how the trajectory go. You play with the big boys, Benzema. So the time a captain ban when man control. And let me say one thing. Now me Adibi Ashering, and it was very evident. When him say Valverde, he never inspired the guys. Let me give you a clear scenario. Say players Bobo, Real Madrid team. Then time ana Benzema mo captain, Ramos mo captain. Now say you said Real Madrid one. Omufi Benabao dressing room ba. In the line of mobile, you see they will come first, second. Obon's a captain like Kasachrom. Were there a point I asked Roma the free dressing room about Valverde can be to as a leader. Yapese bear come back, no, he'll be at the back. We have intrinsic and extrinsic motivation in the football play. Valverde possessed none. He was just a normal player, even on the field of play. At a point in time when the ref is going to mean communicating. So the Madrid team with Valverde as a captain become normal because the captain who say he's a normal player. And now as we are speaking, Makacha was a Valverde, if he's ready to play, or cast of best sacrifice here, he's the only player in this world only here training. Yeah. Valverde cast of for training to for
maybe I didn't bet to you send your pen.
Thank you. And it goes in say, military more assembly or say the anger of a soldier is more important than training. Being a Valverde. So Valverde cast a coach and Ancelotti first season or Pewasama, he will just sacrifice for you. So it's far better say Valverde at Tennessee. Now the problems that Madrid created now the first time now for the past 2 months they be Madrid news about say player and coach indiscipline. So Valverde at Tennessee, I with respect I say these were the problems of Real Madrid and now they are coming to change. And advice I did Valverde say coach now need be Gabi say Valverde ni Madrid for team Jose Mourinho. He's the first coach in the world assistant coach be. He wants his captain to be the assistant coach. Any team Jose Mourinho ako Larios piano. Check the captains, the leaders. You must have the second Jose Mourinho on the pitch. Possess the same demons as Jose Mourinho. In 2004, at the time, all winning Champions League FC Porto Monaco, Nehoye Costa ne captain, El Bucho. The beast. Mourinho Nabakacho was he was not a captain, he was a father. He was a leader. He commanded respect in the dressing room. Even about Chelsea, 50 years old, Premier League, giving them that 95 points. Considering only 15 goals, John Terry. He need all the introduction. At Real Madrid, Iker Casillas was Mourinho captain. Even over Inter Milan 2010, that's treble. Javier Zanetti, a player who plays 700 games. At West, AS Roma, it was Pellegrini. So who check the trajectory of Mourinho? He wants captains who are leaders, who possesses and command that respect. And Federico Valverde. No trans no can no so going next season Valverde should put that trait as a leader because Jose Mourinho won the second demon and the second Jose Mourinho in his captain. Minister time one come here bigger crab with
Yanko Yeninko.
Okay, thank you. Masiamba, what do you go now about question? But I'm coach Chelsea see. They be a make us a football. Yeah, me this year dey be. And meaning say a prince the economy very dream because meaning say a cons you can't say work at where you are needed more than where you are wanted.
Yeah.
And Alonso, mama is our idea. So some analysis I may be mama am funny in a football perspective. You fan to young. And they say, oh, you Jumo baby. That's how you just wanted that. Stop and go to where you are needed. Because where you are needed, you better treat you extraordinary. Where you are wanted, a baby. And
even attention, how I recognize in taking decisions and different.
When you say Real Madrid, at a point in time, my believe we say Alonso is a bad coach. But he's never. This is a coach who conquered Germany with a huge record with Bayern Leverkusen. He came to Real Madrid. At a point in time, Real Madrid allowed politics and some players are Nanka Yenti means Alonso and him that because he's a club legend. Born wa babu ni coach no the first juma wa yaye ni ye. And Alonso ye force ja no kwamane koye. And Alonso called Chelsea. The kind of project Alonso is building for Chelsea, I'm yet to believe that as an individual, you need to work at where you are needed. You said the hallmark of Alonso in a three-back system. Near why he show glimpses of winning Larios. But by Roma, it was always a problem. Or the boy, Danny, Tiase, fall back, a lot of issues. But no call Chelsea. Check his signings are with Lacrosse now, it's likely we'll give him that hallmark, that trait in him, the three-back, you know. So now maybe say maybe James can be constant, then maybe you can Obetima wrangle between Lacrosse, money Cowell, money help to Mama. Then two, Enzo Mo, like you say Enzo Kokrana, maybe he will need another player. Obetimi after that trait, Ediama Latvia, because Latvia is one player who is always redundant. About Chelsea, I see say Ontimi enye Ganacho Moko Neto Muni Adia. But one thing I must see dear finish story in me say. Signings are young man acquiring money. Giving him the hallmark and the prince class on fan cut him no. And then necessary can was seeing a set piece coach. It's like everything he's demanding, he's having. So he's working at a place he's needed. The only thing I care how he can hit the grounds running. Madrid for the end of the day, Juma obey and you take care in the books in him because he was never giving them decorum. So a Juma or no Leverkusen, it's time yet for him to do a replica. Integrate one on Chelsea.
Okay.
Mr. and dear from say, as a human being, you must always work at a serene environment where you are needed than where you are wanted. Clear steady. Xabi Alonso. My last one I'm about the end. So they say Rodri to Real Madrid. Over the weekend, they say and no one come now. Football banter, any rivalry, Emma football yet. Now when him say Real Madrid fans, some of us we should be very grateful to this rumor now, Xabi, because it's an opium to ease pressure from the Real Madrid fans.
Okay. I
repeat. The transfer now, Rodri Nyama Real Madrid Kekekano has become an opium that is easing pressure from the Real Madrid people. In the sense that, on himself, because of this Rodri transfer, the very day about World Cup, I did change started here. Ama the pro football banters say there is a football club in Spain now, more 8 players at the World Cup. Nobody's talking about that one. Can you woo Kruma? Minim say make a wajun ha. But because of the transfer banter, Rodri Bebane, Yempenini is becoming an opium and everybody is focused. So you are winning that battle. The same thing. Thank you, politics. Remember, and if in the first place, Adebakwa, I say, I opium as severe from banter. Can you intimate transpino? Get the pressure by Roma team. 2, you see. People are always afraid of addiction. You can't be addicted to something. I know be you are addicted to womanizing. But you will see say addiction sometimes is not problem, but line of addiction is the problem. In the sense that me say of which I'm not doing. Me womanizer me pema. Then a Kingsman pe ma baby. Maybe anytime a Kingsman be who you may be ano. You may be friend yanko say. So dear son will fear and by me teams and this
will be a before
so Ima is becoming my line of addiction. You cut Ima, you cut the womanizing for me.
Oh, okay.
In this sense, Florentino Perez, signing of players. In him say sometimes he can go with say offer profiling. But whenever the line of addiction comes in, that is the politics and transfer. Listen very carefully. Florentino Perez and Real Madrid signings is either they are doing the line of addiction, that is politics, or they are doing profiling. Ebina basic Rodri Dienso. The politics are Rodri didn't say. before say about better the presidential election, and one candidate or catch and say, so now we near Bana or the Rodri Beba or the Ellen Holland Beba. So in the mind of the Real Madrid board, and a reporter Minyani said, division clear because Florentino Perez and the gang need believe he say Rodri is having a soft spot for Rikemina in some no kind. That's the reason why now Copes or Deneba. And you know Perez to be that politician. So the line of addiction has started. Introduce Akwana or her transfer no in a proper profiling. Then I'll be no, let me go with the politics. 2, or checking age 30 years. Price done so. Then let me use what we call the communist inferior tactics in football. They be use or the BD or the BD Paris Saint-Germain for Mbappe, Bernardo Silva, or Bertrand or before free. You play away Chelsea the same thing.
Marco Correa,
thank you.
Yes, swing.
Thank you.
Rudy got the same thing.
So the line of addiction of Florentino Perez is still here. It's either he do politics or he use the communist inferior tactics. And now Rodri you know. So Rodri you catch yourself born or befit and answer on bar or the injury to Ntenya. He's a proper addition in the Real Madrid team.
Yeah.
And then I make us say na me kra me who say Jose Mourinho can use him as how he used to use Michael Lemoniade. Rodri Beba Obama what we call he can be the anchor and everything. And Adeba come on for refi. Of which me na me pekra free Rodri one enye ball no de bema me. That leadership alone.
Command.
Yes, Madrid team net down on the field of play. They lack leadership. That's why the tactical indiscipline started, and they lost everything last season and last 2 seasons. So Rodri need to be team nima. In as much as you agree say ball no body no. What I'm looking at that command, that leadership. And so you didn't hoist now ball now with ball now. Rodri win for you no joke. You are talking about somebody who is completing football.
Okay.
So we a player and as a Vinicius Ujinama, also you a senior man. So that command alone, na yepe. He's a proven winner. Madrid should check those things. He's an anchor, somebody who can connect the team. And to Jose Mourinho ne Rodri contract no, it's either Florentino Perez is doing the communist inferior tactics or he's unleashing politics.
I'm say me know where we metam na so.